the landmark judgment itself, we didn't see these cameras.
The contempt is such a big name, the fathers of the city. That's why I think the public was interested in knowing what is up.
So let's take the column. I'm presiding. My name is, for the council who are not here the last time, my name is Justice Ombeta, Justice Omari, and Justice Charles Bogo. We are here today for sentencing and, or rather mitigation and sentencing, but we still an application. So let's take the column first.
My lord, my lady, good afternoon. For the fourth contempt, my name is Danstan Omari, together with Ms. Martina Swiga.
I'm present, yes.
Martina Swiga.
I'm present, good afternoon.
Mr. Ongiti, present. Mr. Cliff Ombeta, good afternoon.
Sorry, counsel, your name is?
Ongiti.
Ongiti for, you are all of you for the
All of us
okay.
for the fourth contempt.
Mr. Ma?
Ongiti.
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 Mr. Ongiti. Good to know
Mr. Ombeta.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Stanley Kinyanjui.
Good afternoon, my lords and my lady. I'm present.
And lastly, Mr. Orina. Mr. Orina is present also. Orina. All right, my lady.
We know you've not served it, so you can address us. You've not served the application.
But just for the record.
Oh,
You know, you can see why they can't be visible, yes, for the petitioners.
And I'm here for the petition.
My lord, I'll allow Mr. Ongiti to deal with the question of that application.
My lady and my lordships, the application is dated 29 October 2025. It was filed under certificate of urgency. However, it has not been given directions, and that is why it has not been served. We are ready to take directions.
Just address us briefly on the agency.
Your lordships and my lady, first and foremost, our client was not represented in the contempt proceedings. Affidavit, which was filed by the firm of Jamal Beck.
Sorry, we just wanted to know the agency. Why do you want us to certify it as urgent? Don't go into the merits. Eh?
The reason why we want it to be certified urgent is because today it is for mitigation and sentencing. And unless our client is heard, then he will be condemned and heard because he was not represented. And as such, if today we proceed, then whatever the application we have before you will just be a paper exercise, because by that time it will be heard, you could have sentenced our client. That is why it is of top priority that this application be certified urgent.
I guess you are talking on behalf of your colleagues, huh? The ones for the fourth contempt.
Right. He has talked.
Yeah.
I'll only briefly highlight that upon him being notified that he's required to come before the court for mitigation, he filed a complaint to the police where he's saying that it is a forgery. The police have...
Would that be in merits of the application, Mr. Omari?
We are only showing...
No, we can't go into the merits. We are just asking the agency. Yes.
The agency is that if this matter is not heard before mitigation and sentence, it will be moot. And that is why we are seeking the indulgence of the court to certify the matter urgent. We are ready to serve immediately if the court agrees with us and appear before you. We leave it to the court to give directions.
Okay, Mr. Ndambir.
Thank you, Your Lordship. I wish to raise an issue relating to audience. I believe the court records show that the contempt was represented by the firm of Jamal and Baki Advocates. And given that judgment has already been entered in this matter, I wish to submit that my colleagues have so far not been given leave to address or to represent the client, the contempt, unless they first of all seek leave and involve his former advocates who will necessarily make a decision on whether or not he still wants to continue representing him in litigation and sentence.
That's one of the prayers.
Oh, okay.
That's one of the prayers.
Oh, then
yes. So other than that?
Other than that, if it is the matter being certified urgent, I'll leave it to the Honorable Court. But let it also be on record that just like the petition, the Honorable Court attended to it in a very fast and quick manner. So too would this application, for whatever reason it is being brought. Thank you, Lordship.
Yes, Council.
For the record purposes, the firm of Jamal and Beck Advocates filed a notice of appointment expressing for the 6th contempt, for the 6th, and actually in the contempt proceedings for the 3rd contempt only. It is on record. It is dated 21st March 2025. So our client was not represented.
But why are you seeking leave there's this firm of com advocates?
The reason why we were seeking leave is because we are coming after judgment. Yes.
And maybe for record purposes, is your client in court?
We are sorry to inform the court that our client is not in court. Our client got shocked with that he's going to prison. And because of that, he went to the doctors. It's a shock for these people who don't come to court daily. So he was given a sick of for 4 days. We have given a copy to the court. We are sorry for that.
So that's okay, Mr. Omari and your colleagues. We will afford your client a hearing on the application, but it might not be as urgently as Mr. Ndambiri puts it, because personal proceeding will leave from 1st of December, and we have other scheduled matters in between. So these are the directions we are giving the respondents. The respondents to the notice of motion dated when?
29.
Yeah. We are. Yeah, we want to find out from you. Are you okay if we give directions on filing submissions, then we just come at a later date for highlighting on your application?
That's okay. That's okay, my lord.
Mr. Ndambiri, that's fine?
Yes, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah. I need to add that we may need leave to file a rejoinder.
Yeah, we will give those. We'll give those directions. So the respondents with the notice of motion dated when?
29th of October.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
29. So our direction, the application dated 29th.
Yes, I think it's
29th
29th of October, the date of the application.
Yes.
So it will be heard and determined for the writing of submissions to be on 2nd February. So we'll come back in the new term to be on 2nd of February 2026.
2026. Yes.
We do it virtually or physically, Mr. Physical or virtual?
Fiscal will be fair. These people can report us wrongly, but they are not judges.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Nabil.
No, although it is the contempt application, I believe it can still be done orally.
Let's do it physically at 2:30.
Yes.
At 2:30 p.m. Mr. Omari, some of us are not used to these cameras. We like doing our work quietly and privately. So let's leave it at that. We come back on the 2nd of February 2026. We will hear your application, depending with the outcome. Your client remains convicted. So once we hear your application, we'll make a determination
Much
as to whether he should come for mitigation and sentencing, or we set aside our order and give further directions. So just put in your pleadings as directed. We want to limit the number of pages of your submissions. Mr. Omari, 10 pages? 10 pages,
That's
okay?
sufficient.
Because it's either one was in contempt or not. It's either one was served or not. So it's not...
10 is enough.
Yeah.
10 is allowed.
Okay. So the number of pages for submissions. Is limited to 10. I think I've been reminded there's something called font 12. So that you don't give us 10 pages in font 5. So we really appreciate the efforts you've made to come. We will deal with the application and give directions after that. So thank you very much.
Along before you,
Yes. Yes.
on behalf of the defense team, we wish to thank you for having been shortlisted for the interviews of the Court of Appeal judge.
Thank you
And
very
we
much.
wish you all the best.
Thank you very much for the good
We
wishes.
wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Asanteni.
Asante.
Okay.